Hey fuckers, this meditation is for you. If you like that word, if you like the word fuck, this meditation's for you. If you don't like that word fuck, I just have a question for you. Why the fuck did you even push play on this meditation? Like, you could have read the podcast title. It's just fucking meditation. And you could have read the title of this meditation. That was 2 red flags for you if you don't like the word fuck. 2 red flags, and you're still here. But if you like that word and you're here, I love you. Sending you so much love, so much light, all that good stuff, all that good shit. I'm sending it to you because you're my people. So if you like that word, if you'd like to meditate, take a seat. You can do this seated on a chair, a bar stool. You can do this lying down on your back. Maybe a water bed. Remember those? Maybe you're in a water bed. Wherever the fuck you're at, find that place and close your eyes. And just breathe your natural breath. You know, there's so much bad news out there. All this shit. Society's a little fucked up. No one likes anybody right now. And that's okay, because you're listening to this meditation. You're listening to the sound of my voice. And the sound of my voice naturally allows you to relax. The sound of my voice easily and effortlessly allows you to settle. The sound of my voice allows you to feel good. Maybe a tingling up and down your spine. And as you relax, you breathe smoothly. And as you breathe smoothly, you relax. It's a chain fucking reaction. And it's too late. You're already relaxing. You're already letting go. Because once you pushed play, your mind knew exactly what you were going to do. And your mind knew you were going to relax. Your mind knew you were going to release some fucks. One by one, your fucks will be gone as you breathe and listen to the sound of my voice. And as you breathe and listen to the sound of my voice, your face starts to relax. Your cheeks start to relax. Both cheeks. Face cheeks and your butt cheeks. Your armpits start to relax. Your shoulders start to relax. Your fingers, your toes, your ears, whole body starts to relax. Each and every breath you take. Because you deserve to relax. Yes, you do. You deserve to let go. And all those fucked up things going on in the world, well, fuck it. You're breathing. You're here, listening to the sound of my voice. And maybe you're mad at someone. Maybe someone fucked you over. And fuck it. It's okay. Because you're breathing and listening to the sound of my voice. Or maybe you're worried about the gas prices or money or your job, but fuck it. You're breathing and you're listening to the sound of my voice. Relaxing your body, relaxing your mind. Each and every breath you take. Softly, naturally, easily relaxing. Naturally, easily, effortlessly settling, relaxing more and fucking more. And as you breathe, you go deeper and deeper and deeper and deeper still. And as you listen to my voice, you relax deeper and deeper and deeper still. Saying silently to yourself, I will relax. I will relax. Relaxing all your tension, easily relaxing, effortlessly settling, naturally going deeper and deeper and deeper still. And in just a moment, you'll take a nice deep inhale through your nose. And on the exhale, you'll say out loud, fuck it. Feels so good. Now, inhale deeply through your nose. And on your exhale, say fuck it. Fuck it. Yes. Again, inhale deeply through your nose. Exhale, fuck it. Fuck it. Yes, one more time, and you'll do it on your own after. Inhale deeply through your nose. Exhale, fuck it. Keep it going on your own. Chant it, fuck it, over and over again until all your fucks are gone. I'll give you some time. Fuck it, fuck it, fuck it. All that stress, all the worries, all the tension, all that shit. Fuck it. Let it go, one by one, until all your fucks are gone. Until your fucks, your net fucks, equals 0. And you can do this meditation over and fucking over again until you're relaxed, until your fucks are 0. Thank you so much for meditating with me today. Have an amazing day. Namaste.